Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Can be used on any flat surface such as windows, cars, laptops, and more. High quality Avery vinyl that lasts 5+ years. Satin silver finish. Removes with no residue or damage to the surface. Size: 4.8 inches in length by 6 inches in height. Original federally registered trademark and copyrighted design by Slap Art. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is premium material. This anvil is made of high-grade cast iron for high hardness, maximum strength and durability. It withstands heavy blows. Functional structure: rounded horn for smooth bending and shaping. The flat surface for punching. Solid base keeps sturdy. Surface treatment: fully polished surface area. Through quenching treatment, the spray coating effectively relieves the oxidation reaction. Large working area. This blacksmith forge comes with comfort BLE and wide work surface, giving large working area. Weighing 24 pounds, 11 kilograms. The anvil can be transported easily. Wide application. This anvil is perfect for metal smiths. Riveting, flattening, forging and forming metal. Ideal for any handyman or hobbyist. It's a great tool for crafting small stuff like silversmithing. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Premium material, 110 pounds. This steel anvil is made of drop-forged, high-grade steel, which features high hardness, strength, and durability. Our steel anvil blacksmith has excellent grade material of 50 HRC. The solid base also keeps it sturdy. Holes and horns for different uses. Round horn and the flat horn of the anvil blacksmith are used for smoothing, bending, and shaping. And the hardy hole and pritchel hole can show a good performance in accessories punching and twisting. Polishing treatment. With fully polished surface area. The blacksmith anvil is corrosion-proof and services long-lasting use through quenching treatment. And the spray coating effectively relieves the oxidation reaction. Large working area. This anvil metal 110 pounds, 50 kilograms forge comes with a comfortable and wide work surface, giving a large working area. The wide countertop and flat surface provide a better user experience. It can also bear a long time thumping. Wide application. The anvil is ideal for hammering, straightening, and for shaping workpieces. It is widely used by metal workers and smiths in any metal shop. It is excellent for riveting, flattening, forging, and forming metal. The number 1 on the list is fully polished. This iron anvil has fully polished surface area. The flat surface has been ground to a great finish, and the rest of the anvil was dipped in a protective paint, enamel. It's a great tool for crafting small stuff like silversmithing. Extra long. This single horn anvil extra long shaping horn design and the polished surface top size 11 inches by 4-5/8. 279.4 x 117.5 millimeters. Base size 10 inches by 7, 254 by 177.8 millimeters. Machined hardy holes with 4 anchor points. Rounded horn for smooth bending and shaping. Perfect. Balance, size and weight. Excellent size for craft projects. Perfect for forging work. Many of the perks to having this anvil has been better reliability without the lack of mobility. Multi-function. Rounded horn for smooth bending and shaping. Hardy hole for accessories. Punching and bending. Clamped or bolted to the workbench to hold it still and it works just fine. Wide application. This anvil is great for metal smiths. Riveting, flattening, forging and forming metal. Ideal for any handyman or hobbyist. This is a good mid-sized anvil for most small to middle-sized jobs.